sound effect. So I thought, let's show them the ropes, you know?
You're gonna have to let me configure some settings.